is officially Linda Mwananchi.
Well, fair enough. We'll be, of course, going back there, but let's now cross over to the Jamhuri grounds in Nairobi, where Winnie Odinga, the daughter of former Prime Minister, the late Raila Odinga, is currently addressing that particular convention.
Those are the values of our forefathers. Now, when I was coming here today, I decided to do something because I feel as a party, we may be leaving some of our members behind. So if you give me a chance here, I want to read some messages that were sent in my DMs today. One is from a lady called Aisha Ngala. She's from Twapa. Every morning she wakes up, she goes to the market, she sells her vegetables to feed her 2 children. She's dreaming of a better life. I feel this party, we may have forgotten her. But Aisha, we have not forgotten you. Well, your journey is what will inspire us. We are coming back to help you. Down the road here, I got a message from a boy called James. He had studied computer science. He was filled with ambitions, hopes, and dreams. James cannot find a job. He's now walking on the streets. James asks for a new ODM. We must be that new ODM. There's another lady who sent me a message called Wavinya. She makes jewelry in the city here. She feels that the party, we have left her behind. We must create a new ODM that brings all these people on board. These stories that I'm saying reflect the struggles of millions of people in this country. When we talk about the new ODM that we envision, we want a party that opens doors and not closes them. We want a leadership that listens to our concerns and acts on our ideas. We want participation as young people that extends beyond rallies. We want to be involved and our voices shape decisions and negotiations. We want a decentralized power, empowering our branches and our grassroots. We want to revamp our youth league into a platform where young people can join to shape and share policy. We want to hold our leaders accountable. We want a new ODM. As I stand here from Nairobi, and thank you to Nairobi for always standing with me, I don't underplay the victims of this maandamano. We cannot overlook that reality. We cannot be a party that does not care about the struggles that we have come through. We want a new ODM. So I want to stand here and state clearly, the new ODM must be a tool to work for young people. Our systems must work for our young people. Our young people are demanding their rightful space on this table. I say this with the utmost humility because we must create space for these people instead of only calling them when we want them to shout. So therefore, as we finish the part of this, one thing I'm going to ask for is a spirit of reconciliation, a spirit of understanding, a spirit of listening, a spirit that does not chase away, that does not force out, a spirit that opens and lets us in. We want space, we want a face for ODM. And so I say this with all the humility. Congratulations, party leader. And we believe as you lead this next cycle of transition, as they call you youth leader, you will open the space in this party for all the millions of young people of Kenya. And you will give us our space here. Thank you very much. With those few remarks, leo sikukuja kuchoma. Today, I just came to wish you well. This is my party, but let us embody and let us try and change and make this a party for everybody here.
Asante sana, makofi ya Mheshimiwa Winnie.